Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video tutorial guys, I will teach you and discuss on how to create a program that will accept US dollar and then it will convert into euro equivalent using Python programming language. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you're new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. We have here print. So print US to dollar, US dollar to euro in Python. The title of our program, print US underscore dollar equals float. Enter US dollar value. And then I declare assignment statement euro equals US dollar multiplied by 0.91. So 1 US dollar is equivalent to 0.91 European euro. So print dollar percent 02 to decimal places US dollar equivalent to percent 02 European euro. Okay, so this is the format expression in Python. Use the underscore dollar in euro, new line, and a program which informs the user that the program has been ended. Print. Don't worry guys, because I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today for free in my websites. Okay, let us go with our online gdb.com that I'm using right now to run this program. It is free to use if you have an internet connection. Let us wait for a while. US dollar to euro in Python. Enter US dollar value. Let's say we have 50. So 50 US dollars is equivalent to 45.50 European euros and a program. Let us run again. Okay, let's say we have 23 point okay, okay, 23.54 US dollar. 23.54 US dollars is equivalent to 21.42 European euros and a program. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video on US dollar to euro in Python programming language. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this tutorial video. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.